now friends, we have completed our pruning activity and you can see that how our plant is looking like. You can see that plant is looking very open and you can see that sunlight is penetrating right through the plant up to the bottom. So this will help the plant to protect against insect and pest and other diseases. While pruning, we must take some important care which I am going to explain you in the upcoming part of this video. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. So first, we must know that there is no pruning recommended in citrus plant, but we can prune the plant up to 15 to 20% without any harm. So this will keep our plant in a healthy condition. Anyway, we always need to remove any disease or dead branches without any hesitation. If we prune more than 25%, then it may happen that our plant will get damage or some stress. So we should avoid that. Second, before pruning, we must ensure all the tools are get disinfected, and we also need to ensure while moving from one plant to second plant, we should again disinfect those tools. So our tools will not carry a disease from one plant to another. Next, while pruning, we first must take care of all the branches either coming straight up or straight down. The branches going straight up will not produce any fruit, and branching going down will bear the fruit, but that will be the inferior quality. So we don't want to waste any of our nutrition or energy to those branches. Instead of that, we'll cut them and divert all our energy to the good fruit producing branches. After we complete the pruning, we should not left any of the dead or dried or diseased branches or even the live branches on the ground. We should collect them all and dump it into the compost pit. So our field will be clean and any chances of the disease getting spread from those old stems will be removed. While pruning the citrus plant, we must keep in mind that our plant should be in a vertical V position, because when the plant will bear the fruit, the stems will bend down. If we keep the branches parallel to the ground, so on setting of the fruit, those branches will be bent further down and fruit will be touching the ground and it will damage the fruits. So if we keep these branches in erect positions, then even after load of the fruiting, this will not touching the ground and our fruit will be in the air and it will be safe. So after completing the pruning, we must ensure that all the wounds which are big in size, we must cover it with a copper oxychloride paste. And for the remaining of the plant, we should spray it with the 1% of the same solution, so it will protect any infection getting into our plant. So if we do this pruning and manage the water in the right manner, then our plant will give a good flush and good growth into next season and will result in the good yield of the fruits. So this is all about pruning the citrus plant. I will update you on the growth and development of this plant in the near future with a separate video. But for now, we conclude. Thank you.